Good morning, you guys. I have another cleaning video for you today. I am going to be carpet cleaning my entire living room, and I'm going to be carpet cleaning my couch. So I'm going to take everything out of my living room, or most everything, put it in my dining room, do the carpet, and then I'm going to bring the couch back in and clean the couch. So let's just get started, why don't we? So this is what the carpet looks like. You can definitely see like discoloration, especially right here. This is where the couch was. And then under here is our like main walking path. So obviously it's going to be dirty. Right here seems to get super dirty. So I'm going to set up the machine and then I will continue. So I'm going to start on a cushion on the underneath side to just test it to make sure it's not going to ruin my couch. So yeah. Everything is pretty much dry now. There's just a few wet spots, but I'm just gonna put everything back together. I think I might try rearranging the furniture. So I kind of want to put the couch on this wall instead of like in the center of the room. Alright guys, that is it for the deep cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Hi guys, today we're gonna do something first. Okay, let me do the top.
Let me know if you're gonna make a decision.
So,
Especially when it's directly affects
raise it here. So then, maybe over there, running. I feel, and we're gonna do something. I'm in the dress. It's all purple. Just like last night. I know you saw me last night taking pictures. Yep.
Yes.
You have the chin. I don't remember. Oh, you do have the chin. Are you joking? So, are you eating sugar?
I'm happy because
No?
we're getting married.
Okay, good.
Geography has nothing to do with
I'm talking
to be happy.
I want you to be happy too, and
and I'm going to get juice.
I was
Bye.
in Napa Valley, but I really wanted to have